Hello and welcome to another episode of Psychology in Easier Languages. Today's topic is something surprising. It's attention deficit and hyperactive disorder in adults. Yes, it may be found in adult at any stage of life, at any age of life, because it's associated with conduct disorder, it's associated with bipolar 1, cytothymic disorder, impulse disorder, and many more things. So let's check out what are the behavioral definitions of ADHD in adults. First of all, most importantly, if the person is already diagnosed in his or her childhood as ADHD affected. Number two, fails to give close attention or makes unnecessary mistakes. Number three, can't sit still without moving any limb. Number four, faces difficulty in serious attention or sustaining attentions. Number five, inattentive listening and fails to follow instructions. Number six, feels restless all the time. Number seven, faces difficulty in organizing simple tasks. Number eight, often talks excessively. I believe it's most of the time. Number nine, often loses necessary things which can be put in an open place or in a common place. Number 10, acts restless in conversation and can't wait for own time. Number 11, gets easily distracted by external stimuli. So these are the simplest behavioral definitions of any adult person who has affected by ADHD in adult age. This is all for today. For more such valuable information, stay tuned.